Technical analysis. This is my favorite way of analyzing the markets. Welcome everybody. My name is Moses and I am your expert here at Moneyfest World School. Everybody, this is a channel where we look at what are crypto markets, how do you analyze them, and how can you use them to actually make money. So welcome. Today, we are going to dig deeper into what is technical analysis, how can you use it to actually predict the direction of the market. And I'm going to tell you that what you've been knowing about technical analysis, it is worth more than what you think. So sit tight. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also let me know in the comment section, what else would you like to look at? So let's get started. All right, now, yes, this big topic, technical analysis, what is it? This is very simple. Technical analysis is an art. It is a skill. And when you learn it, like many of my students, the markets are going to become your best friend. What is it? This is the skill of using the charts, the graphs, to technically predict the direction of the future of a market. That depends. The market can go up, it can go down, it can stay in one place. But you can use graphs and other technical tools to actually predict, is it going to go up? And not just is it going to go up, you can actually predict when it is going to go up and how far up is it going to go. Imagine if you could predict that. An example is this market. This is MNT USDT. Look at it. In technical analysis, we have a tool which is called Trendlines. They are technical tools. An example are Trendlines. These also include support and resistance levels. These also include, ladies and gentlemen, Fibonacci levels. Trendlines, for example, they can tell you exactly when to buy a coin, by simply following every time the market touches that trend line. Simple, right? Yes, so that is one part of technical analysis. Technical analysis has lines. These are trend lines, support and resistance levels, and also Fibonacci levels. What are Fibonacci levels? These are figures, numbers that exist out there in nature, and even graphs follow those numbers. A number like 3.18, a number like 50%, a number like 62%, a number like 73.1%, all these numbers up to 1, and even their projections can actually tell you where is a market going to start from in a move. If it is an uptrend, how far is it going to go up? An example, look at this uptrend here. It is a beginning uptrend, right? From here up to here. I can get what we call a Fibonacci extension. A Fibonacci extension, I take it from here up to here, all the way up to here, and I extend it to this level. And I can technically predict how far is this market going to go up. From here, ladies and gentlemen, all the way up to here, how far? And you can see where my one line is. It shows me that this market has a potential of going all the way up to here. So with technical analysis, you can predict when do I need to get in a trade? An example is the trend line being touched. And when do I get out? That could be your Fibonacci extension. That could be your trend line. That could be, ladies and gentlemen, your support and resistance. Other points of technical analysis, indicators. Who forgot about indicators? Yes. Indicators are algorithms. These are computer algorithms. They are algorithms that people write that give you an analysis, a pre-analysis of the market. They are going to help you to understand trend. They can help you to understand the momentum of a trend. They can help you to really understand who is behind a trend. If it is an uptrend, does it have a strong support from the buyers or not? If it is a downtrend, does it have strong support from buyers or not? An example, ladies and gentlemen, the volume indicator. Volume is going to show you how many buyers actually are in a market. Imagine if you can really see every single candle which is printed and know, okay, in this market we have a certain number of buyers. Is it enough to push the market up or down? Let's try that out also. Let me get rid of this and go to the volume. I just come under indicators and search volume. That is also a part of technical analysis. Volume indicator is part. And look carefully. You can see how much volume of buyers or sellers are behind a move. Look at this massive red candle and look at the size of this red candle. Massive, right? It shows you that behind this move, there was a significant number of orders placed by sellers. That is why you see a big volume bar. How wonderful. Imagine all these tools if you combine them and come up with a simple strategy that can actually tell you when to buy or when to sell. That is the art of technical analysis. And using this art, ladies and gentlemen, you can spot not one, not two, but several trades a day. These tools, they work on any time frame. Is it a 1 minute time frame? 5 minute time frame? 15 minutes? Any time frame you'd like. Some people actually would like to even go extra deeper into supply and demand, into, ladies and gentlemen, order flows, into fair value gaps. All those things, they are technical analysis. I always say technical analysis is one of the most important tools that anybody has ever created to analyze markets. And with them, they have made me most of my fortune by simply following them. So I want to see in the chat section. I want to see in the comments right below, right in the comments. Do you like technical analysis? If so, which is the most part of technical analysis you like? Is it the lines, trend lines, support and resistance lines? Is it Fibonacci? Do you prefer indicators? What do you prefer in technical analysis? What do you find most interesting and most useful? I want to see your comments and I'll read them. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Today, you have heard about technical analysis, what it does, and how it can help you to actually predict the future, literally the future of the market. Question, are you going to do something about it? If yes, give me a thumbs up, my champion, in the comment section. And yes, it should be able to help you to predict literally the future. If you found this lesson very useful, go ahead, leave a comment like I asked you already. Click that like button, subscribe to this channel to see more like this, and see you soon, my champion, in the next one. Bye-bye.